How to fix this Bluetooth device or computer cannot process files of this type? 1. Enable file sharing for devices that use 40 or 56-bit encryption. To do so, choose Enable file sharing for devices that use 40 or 56-bit encryption. 2. Run Bluetooth Troubleshooter. 3. Transfer your file, S, via USB. 4. Upload and synchronize files via OneDrive, or some OneDrive alternative. 5. Use third-party software like OneDrive AnyTrans Android Manager. 6. Launch the Receive a File option in your Bluetooth service. 7. Use Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter. Command, msdt.exe ID Device Diagnostic. 8. Update your Bluetooth drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Plan B, uninstall then reinstall your Bluetooth drivers. 9. Set up Bluetooth incoming COM port on your PC. 10. Ensure the Bluetooth service is running. Or, restart Bluetooth service. 11. Use FSCIRT command. 12. Install the latest Windows updates. 13. Remove and reconnect your Bluetooth device.